Hey guys, this is Minsha Kapoor and welcome back to my channel. Now we all know how difficult it is to go to office to our 9 to 5 jobs and then follow a healthy eating schedule. So today I'm here to show you how I pack my lunch box in order to keep eating healthy and lose weight. I always eat breakfast in the morning, but as soon as it is 11 a.m. in the office, I start feeling a little hungry. So here I am packing some fruits. You can take grapes, apples, melons, bananas, whatever you like. So my fruit box is ready. For weight loss, it is very important to consume a lot of salad and sprouts. So here I have made some homemade sprouted moong dal. These are rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, really good for your health and rich in fiber. I have also boiled in some black chana. If you guys want to know how I make these sprouts at home, comment down below and I will make a video dedicated to that. So here my pre-lunch salad is ready. I'm adding a lemon wedge to squeeze on it just before eating, and I'll add my salt and enjoy my crunchy, fresh sprouted salad. For lunch, I usually take any vegetable that has been pre-made for dinner and a single roti. Make sure to wrap your roti in the foil so that it remains soft. So here my gajar aloo and roti and lunch is ready. Along with my lunch, I enjoy drinking a cold, fresh chas. So today I'm going to show you how I make this really refreshing chas at home. In this jar, I am taking around 2 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. To this, I am adding around a teaspoon of salt as per taste. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder or zira powder. Half a teaspoon of red chili. And just a little bit of black pepper. I'm also adding a few mint leaves for the freshness. Give it a really nice mix and just add cold water to it. Stir it really well, and yes, your fresh chaas is ready. Now after my lunch, I love drinking some good green tea. So here is my really cute coffee mug, and I suggest you guys to have a nice coffee mug and a water bottle at your office place so that you are motivated to drink lots and lots of water. Now around 4:35 I'll start feeling hungry again. So I always carry with myself these McVitie's digestive biscuits. These are really high in fiber and low in the fat. And if you're not a fan of digestive biscuits, you can try these veggie crackers. These are salty and really crunchy. Here I am packing just 2 McVitie's biscuits for my evening hunger. I have also made this mixture of nuts and seeds so that whenever I feel the need to munch on something, I eat these healthy pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, dried cranberries and almonds. These are rich in amino acids and good fats that helps to keep you full and lose weight. I have also roasted some of these fox nuts or makhanas as they are commonly known to munch on in the evening. These are really high in protein, carbohydrates and fiber, and they hardly have any calories. These makhanas or fox nuts, they are so crunchy and so lightweight. I just love munching on these with my evening tea. Do you hear that crunch? So here our lunchbox is ready, and who won't be excited to go to office when you have so much to eat? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. And share this video with your friends, your office going mates. I'm sure they will thank you. Goodbye. See you next time.